2012 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, navigation system, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, fog lamps, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows, heated driver's seat, remote power door locks, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, rear parking aid, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.